The world is in the midst of a revolution in technology, and the implications of this shift on the future of work are profound. We're seeing the emergence of automation age, in which automation and artificial intelligence are transforming how we live, work and communicate. So in this day and age, the need for technology in business is paramount, and the shift is making the workplace more efficient, flexible and responsive. There's no doubt that technology has changed the workplace. However, while some business owners see technology as a hindrance, the reality is that it has transformed how we do business and has made life easier. In this guide, How Do You Use Technology to Automate Business Processes, we'll teach you how technology can be used to help you run a successful company. But technology isn't the only factor transforming how we do business. Our understanding of the needs of the modern consumer, the changing way we work, and the rise of social media have combined to change how we need to operate. So automating back office processes like mundane tasks such as sending emails, data entry, record keeping and other stuff like that is a common place to start. So some of the common processes that can be automated would include things like accounts payable and receivable. So automating these processes that can then save time and reduce errors. HR processes, which is where we can help to look at the recruitment process, onboarding, performance management and even benefits administration. Data entry and processing, reducing again those risks of error and ensuring that information is processed consistently and accurately. Stock management, having inventory management that can help with control, order processing and sales tracking and product tracking. Automating customer service processes, which can help with things like order tracking, ticket management and responding to customer inquiries. But first, to determine if a business should implement automation technology, there are two primary considerations. The first is the business objectives, and then the second is the type of technology to use. See, there are many tools and techniques available to automate processes. However, before doing any of that, it's essential to conduct a thorough analysis to identify which ones are suitable and ensure that the technology used is appropriate to the task. Some other areas to consider automating are things like your sales and marketing processes, from automating the schedule of email campaigns to the creation of sales proposals. Communications, when you're looking to build a brand ready to dominate, it starts with great customer experience. And that's where your customers are coming from after all. So you've got to have a solution that allows you to build a great customer experience or your business will suffer. Automate logistics and transportation. So if you're not using automation, you're likely losing a chance to cut costs, increase efficiency and reduce risks. And then of course, automating finance. Finance is one of the world's most complex and highly regulated industries, requiring meticulous attention to detail and deep understanding of business principles. So finance software like Xero can help you automate your business finance systems in several ways. It can help you manage your financial transactions, create invoice, track expenses and generate reports amongst other things. And of course we've got the live plan technology to help you have a set of management accounts as well. So in summary, technology has fundamentally changed how we work and live, and its impact is only expected to grow as new advancements in artificial intelligence are integrated into the workplace. As a business owner, you can use these technologies to streamline operations and improve efficiency and productivity. So I hope you find this useful, and if you'd like further assistance, please feel free to reach out and ask. And all the best. Thank you very much. See you soon.